What's up, guys? Today we upgraded my C5 Corvette's interior with custom interior's new red seat covers. Oh yeah, these things feel great. And one thing I found out is actually really cool is that they added a rear pocket, which the stock seats do not have. They're gonna look amazing inside the Corvette. Okay, so the only tools you need for this is literally just a 15mm socket and a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so ignore my red door jams. They're just not done yet. But Evan, show us what we need to do.
Basically, when you are taking these seats out, there's just one small clip here and it holds this black cover. So you take your flathead screwdriver, pop this clip out, and then the black cover should just slide forward. Sink, yep. Then, when you see here, you also have your 15mm bolt, and that is on both sides of the seat, and it's very easy to take out.
Okay, so we just got both of these front bolts off, and to get easier access to the rears, just slide the seat forward. All right, so with the seat moved forward, you have two 15mm bolts right there, and one right there. So there's one wire that's right here. All you have to do is push in the pin, and it should slide right out. Okay, so now that the wire's disconnected, the seat should slide right out. All right, so it is the same process on the other side. You just push that pin in, and this will slide right out. And there we go. We have both of the Corvette seats out, and time to throw on the custom interior seat covers. All right, so now we have the seats inside. We're gonna start with the bottom of the seat covers. So to make sure you have the one on the right side, check for this little opening right here. This is what goes over your seat controls. So yeah, once you decide the seat cover's on the right seat, you just slide it right over, and then you'll grab these black little pieces, and they'll slide right through this crack between the seat, and you just pull it through the back like that. Okay, so now that we got the bottom of the seat cover on, we're gonna go with the top. So all you have to do is just open it up, and it'll just slide right on. It'll be a snug fit. We'll just push it all the way down. And then also these fronts will have the same little black pieces, and then you'll slide them right through the back again, just like the bottom. Okay, so now that you have this down real snug, connect these two black pins to themselves. And then just flop this down, pull the zipper down. The final step is just going to be connecting this metal pin in the front to the ones in the rear. So here's what the seat covers look like right before I put them back in the car. And man, let me tell you, this quality is actually amazing. Definitely a big change in the Corvette. So here are the seats installed in C5 Corvette, and it looks just amazing. Thank you, Custom Interiors, for sending these.